Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss another type of uninformed search which is known as depth limited search. Now the working is similar to DFS, that is depth first search, with some predetermined limit. So how do we search in DFS? We search depth wise. Okay, we go to the depth of a particular node, and then if no more nodes are present, we come back again, explore the other nodes. So here we will go to the depth to a particular limit. To what extent we will go deep, that will be defined by this predetermined limit. Then here in depth limited search, the infinite problem in DFS is solved. Okay, so I will explain this point with the help of an example. And what are the termination conditions here? Suppose failure value, there is no solution. If no solution is there, obviously it will be failure, and it terminates on reaching the predetermined depth. Solution may be present afterwards. Okay, so let's see. Now time complexity and space time complexity is big O of b to the power d, space complexity of big O of b to the b into d, where b is the branching factor. Branching factor means number of children that a particular node can have, and d is the depth. What is the advantage? Memory efficient. It is memory efficient because it does not explore all the nodes. Disadvantage, incompleteness. That is, the solution, you may be able to find a solution or may not be able to find a solution. So obviously, since it is incomplete, so obviously it is not optimal. Now I will explain what do we mean by this infinite problem. First I will explain the working, then I will explain what do we mean by this infinite problem in DFS is solved. See, suppose this is the tree that we are having. Now depth is 3, that is, in this particular tree, what is the depth? 0 is the, this is depth level 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Suppose more nodes are present here below the tree, but since predetermined depth we have considered as 3, so we are going to explore till this depth. So how we are going to explore? Using DFS only. X, first A, then C, then E, then F, then D, then G, then B, I, H and J. Okay, even if below some nodes are present, we are not going to explore those nodes. Now how it is solved infinite problem? Because suppose this way, suppose your solution is, suppose this node, J node, and suppose you need to go from X to J. Now suppose here infinite subtrees are present this way. If it would have been a normal depth first search, you would have gone deep into this particular site and you would not have come to this point, right? But since here the predetermined depth is 3, so after depth level 3 you are going to come back, so obviously you are going to reach this particular point. So this is what it means, that the infinite problem solution in DFS is solved. Now here incomplete. Why it is incomplete? Because suppose the solution is present here. Okay, after E, suppose solution is present, but what is the depth we have set? 3. So after 3 we are not going to explore the nodes after this particular point, so you won't get the solution. So consider this example. So let us consider the, okay, let us consider the depth, okay, depth to be suppose 2. So this is depth level 0, this is depth level 1, this is depth level 2, and this is depth level 3. Suppose this is the node that we are searching and this is the initial node. Okay, so how you are going to explore using DFS? DFS obviously we use stack, and already I have told you how you are going to explore the nodes. So first we are going to explore X. From X we will be going to A. From A we are going to C. Then from C we are not going to go to E because the predetermined depth level is considered to be 2, so we are going to go to D. Okay, then from D we are going to go to B, and from B we are going to go to I. So we have found a solution, and so here till the predetermined limit we have gone to the depth and we have found a solution. So this is a good example. Now let me show you one example where the solution is present, but since it is written that it is incomplete. Okay, so when it can be incomplete, consider the same thing. Suppose depth level is 2 and the goal node is this time is not I, but this time the goal node is suppose E. So what will happen? Till this point you will come I, after I you will go to J, then after that you are not going to explore any more nodes because we have reached the depth level 2. So we are going to stop. So even though the solution exists, but still we are not able to find out the path. So that's why it is known as incomplete. So that's all about depth limited search. Thank you.